Hello everybody, this is Nora. Welcome back to my channel, and this video today, it's going to be an experimental video. There's something that I've been wanting to test with these Shemodern fine glitters that I have right here, and that is what it is. What I'm going to try is to see if I can use them for stamping, meaning, you know how you have seen me stamp with the pigment powders and those chrome powders, and then the results were outstanding and very beautiful finishes. I really want to try these with these glitters because they are very fine, and I have a feeling I'm not going to be disappointed, and you are going to see it here live. I have not even attempted. It just has been in my head for a couple of nights now. And if you're curious about my base, I started out, this is C&D shellac, and the name of it is Gotcha, right there, and if you can catch it. So this is Gotcha. Very pretty pink. It's like a bubble gum pink. Hopefully the camera will pick it up right. Okay, so yeah, no much fooling around here. I do have my palette where I'm going to dispense these glitters, and what I have two colors because I want to do it in somewhat of a gradient. I don't even know, I haven't even found out about which image I am going to use, but I am going to try this with some of these images in the stamping plate. And the stamping plate that I have, if I can get this glitter to come out, this stamping plate is BPL008. It's a Born Pretty store plate. And I'm going to try it because there's some images there like leaves and some flowers that are pretty solid. Whoops, the blue, it's much easier to get out. I'm going to leave the tops off. I'm going to try with my Beauty Big Bang stamper, and I am going to try this. I don't want to try it with a black polish. I want to do a white polish. This one's almost out, but yeah, here we go. I'm pretty sure it'll be pretty sticky. So what I want to do first is put what you want, just like the pigments, it's apply the color to the stamper. So we're going to do that, and see, it's very sticky, this, and I might need to bring in even more color, but I want to gradate the colors between the blue and the gold glitter. So let's do this, and this, I'm sure this will be very fine. I mean, look at that. This powder, you don't even feel it. You do not feel this glitter at all. So neat. Okay, so I need to look into, let me clean this up and pick up some gold. I'm not sure I'm going to need more. A little bit of these glitters go a long ways. This gold one is a gold hollow. This gold is so gorgeous, and I do need to create some sort of a gradient here. The blue one is just called Blue Sky. So some more gold. See if I can start doing somewhat of a mixture here. Let's see what I have. Ooh, you see the hollow on that gold. The blue one is not hollow, but it's so pretty. And I just stuck my finger in here without cleaning the gold off first, but that's okay. I don't care if some of those specks go in there, but if you want to see how well this is going to work, let's get the glitter out of the way. So here's my stamper again, and I'm going to use my Pure Joy scraper, have my acetone ready, and I think I'm going to go for, I'm not so sure yet, just this flower right here maybe. I want to be able to see some of my background. Decisions. Let's just go for it. See that I have, hopefully I made enough should be able to pick up enough here. See if we can get enough polish. Scrape. Now this is it. Maybe I'll go vertical. Interesting. So let me bring you in closer. Here's how that one went. And I can see, so I used blue glitter and I can see the white polish coming through. So this is immediately telling me that I will want to use a stamping polish really close to the same color as the glitter. So I am going to try that next. The gold looks pretty good. I did not pick up all of the image, and I mean I just did not pick it up, so there was nothing. I did not stamp, but we're gonna try this again. The gold looks better against the white here than the blue did against the white. So I'm going to try this with the blue alone, with the blue polish. And something that I forgot to do on the nail that I do with the pigments is to have a matte surface. I don't know why I forgot that. So I am going to buff this shine off my nails before trying it again. Hey guys, I am back. As you can see, I buffed the shine off my nails. This time I am going to try with this Coconut Blue, since it's very similar and I've already applied my glitter to the stamper. So let's go for it and see what happens this time. And I think this time I'm going to try an image like this one right here. That is, the other one seemed to have too much of a coverage for the whole nail. So let's see here. I'm going to concentrate more on the flower. Okay, let's see. Oh. Ooh, check out the outline on the stamper. Let's see if you can see it. See it right there? So yes, the only thing that stuck to my nail was the image itself. And you can see the stem. So yeah, it's a complete image. It's like I have to turn it here more to the side there. Now, so it looks pretty solid. I mean, you cannot, some of the detail lines on that flower, so like you don't see the petals cut out, but you see the outline. Interesting. Okay, and of course, so let's do the cleanup. I'll do cleanup with some tape. I do have some polish in there. Oh, that's so pretty. I do want to do one with the gold, the holographic gold. It's fine. Yeah, let me get my gold stamping polish. As far as cleaning this up, I mean, you can just pull this out right out with a lint roller. And I see how it's fogging my stamper. So just like I went ahead and dedicated a I went ahead and dedicated this stamper. Unfortunately, it was always my favorite clear stamper because it's the most squishy one that I have, but it clouded on me when I started using it with the pigment powders. So I have dedicated this stamper to just pigment stamping. I think I'm going to switch this stamper because I don't want to cloud this one anymore. And there's no point. I mean, the advantage of using the silicone clear stampers, it's how well that it allows for those pigments and these glitters to stick to them. I mean, because they're sticky. But you lose the fact that, you know, you can't see the image through when you go to stamp, so you kind of have to go back to the old method of stamping when it comes to aligning the image. But okay, let's find the gold stamping polish. Okay, this time I'm gonna go for let's see, I think I like this image right here. The gold stamping polish that I'm going to use is this one by Beauty Big Bang, and I already have my stamper ready with the gold glitter. Check out that. Hello guys. Alright, and this is a beautiful, beautiful gold. Alright, so I'm going to go for, can you see? Cannot wait to see. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, check it out. And I did that on purpose. I brought the image over because I knew I wanted to keep some of that border, so I didn't use the entire image. And there's that outline again. I wonder if this will still work if it has not dried yet. Let's try it. My pinky. Oh, it worked. It didn't dry too fast. Yay. So yes, I mean, you do lose some of the detail, the inside. Let's see if you can tell what I mean, but you can transfer images. I mean, you just have to play and see as you transfer images. I bet these leaves will do. Like you might, I don't expect the center, see the line, the center line on the leaves to show, but the image itself, you'll be able to tell they are images. Yeah, okay, let's try them. Do I have a, yes, I have green. Let me find my green glitter and stamping polish. Okay, here's my stamper head prepared with the green glitter, and the green that I'm going to use is this one by Beauty Big Bang. Let's go for the leaves. I missed one, but that's okay. And let's go for it. Ooh, ooh, yeah, see, just like I thought. So I didn't get the lines inside the leaves, but that is a pretty pattern. And check out the outline here. That is so cool. Okay, let me clean this up and then come back for a conclusion on this. Okay guys, so I went ahead and applied a gel top coat to these, and the glitter looks so beautiful, so shimmery, and that gold, hollow gold. Oh, so here's what my conclusion is, and I have pulled out this other plate because this is what I have concluded from this is that it will actually do much better for solid images such as like this one here. You know, stripes like this, chevrons, something like this, you're going to lose that. So this will almost come out as just diamonds, and you're not going to see the lines in between. This one you might be able to be okay, but anything so that those lines might be too close together. I think this one will be okay. Stars, of course. This one, you're gonna lose it. But patterns like these. So I pull this as an example, and yeah, I think with something like this, pattern, wide patterns like this that are very obvious, you can get away with stamping with these glitters. And yeah, just something else, something something else fun to play with and experiment with. And I love to see if any of you are on Instagram, try this out and call me out, tag me, and tell me, let me see your results, because I'm very curious. And if we manage to do some gradients, that would be so pretty. Because I do have other colors coming, and on the pearl finish of their powder, so I am going to give those a try as well. So that is it, guys. Thank you for joining me tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.